Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. In this video, we will discuss about a question. Question is that which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? First option statement SO2Cl2. SO2Cl2. It contains p-pi bonding and p-pi bonding. It has a regular tetrahedron geometry. Theta 1 is greater than theta 3. Planes which contains maximum number of atom is 4. हमें इसमें करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बतानी है कौन से इन चारों में से विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट फॉर SO2Cl2. लेट्स स्टार्ट टू डिस्कस इट. First of all, SO2Cl2. Central atom is the sulfur. Central atom is the sulfur and surrounding atom is the chlorine and oxygen. Central atom is the sulfur and surrounding atom is the chlorine and sulfur. First of all, regular tetrahedron geometry means sulfur contains all atoms which are same. But here is chlorine and oxygen. Two types of atom is present here. But regular tetrahedron all attaching atom is the same. But its option is false. अगर आपके पास में सल्फर के अराउंड जो आपने एटम लगाए हैं सभी एटम सेम है इट मीन्स रेगुलर टेट्राहाइड्रन ज्योमेट्री है. अगर आपके पास में जो सल्फर एटम के अराउंड जो एटम लगाए हैं ये कोई एक डिफरेंट एटलीस्ट वन इज डिफरेंट एटलीस्ट टू इज डिफरेंट देन इट नॉट ए टेट्राहाइड्रन ज्योमेट्री. देन theta 1 is greater than theta 3. Here is two oxygen and double bond. Or here is one chlorine and one oxygen, one single bond and one double bond. We know very well triple bond have bond length is less than double bond length and single bond length. First of all, greater bond length of single bond, then double bond, then triple bond. Then we can say sulfur have shorter bond length in sulfur and oxygen as compared to sulfur and chlorine. That it concept is very wrong. It say theta 1 is greater than theta 3. Once wait. It said theta 1 is greater than theta 3. But here is all of two double bond. Here is one single bond and one double bond. Then its concept is totally wrong. Then it is incorrect statement. Plane which contain maximum number of atom is 4. Then we know about it is a tetrahedral geometry but not regular tetrahedral geometry. It is a distorted tetrahedral geometry in which our tetrahedral geometry is hybridization is sp3. One single bond, one single bond and one single bond and one single bond. To calculate the geometry, to calculate the hybridization, we count only single bond, not double bond. Then here is 4 single bond. Then 4 single bond means sp3 geometry. In tetrahedral sp3 geometry, in plane of paper, we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 atom in the plane. But it is a tetrahedral geometry and 3D structure. In 3D structure, we see here in the plane, above the plane and below the plane. Now we can see 1, 2, 3. In tetrahedral geometry, 3 atom in the plane, not 4 atom in the plane. Then it's also wrong. Then we will discuss about the option first. It contains p-pi and p-pi d-pi bond. It's correct. Here is the double bond. Here is the double bond. Then here is the p-pi and d-pi बॉन्डिंग. ये आपके पास में क्या है बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. यहाँ पर आपके पास में क्या है पी पाई और डी पाई बॉन्डिंग है. अब कैसे है नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ पी पाई एंड डी पाई बॉन्डिंग इज एग्जिस्ट देयर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल sulfur atomic number is 16, then number of electron is also 16. Then electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4, 2, 4, 10, 12, 16. Here is electronic configuration. Then first cell have 2 electrons, second cell have 8 electron, then last cell have 6 electron. Then to complete the cell we have need to 8 electron. Let's start. Here is 2 electron in 3s. Here is 4 electron in 3p. 1, 2, 3 and 1 is the double. That is the 3p. Here is 3D is vacant. Here is 3D is vacant orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 3D is the vacant orbital. Now start. Then we can see here is 2 electron and here is also 2 electron. Then this electron is go in 3D orbital and this electron is also go in the 3D orbital. Then here is the p pi and d pi bonding. How is it possible? Here is one sigma bond, then after that it present in this form, 1 electron in p orbital, 3 electron in 1 electron in s orbital, 3 electron in p orbital and 2 electron in d orbital. Then 1 sigma bonding for s, 1 sigma bonding for p, 1 sigma bonding for p, 1 sigma bonding for p, then pi bonding with d orbital, then pi bonding with d orbital. So we can see that here is the p pi and p pi d pi bonding. Structure is that chlorine, chlorine, and here is oxygen and here is oxygen. Here is sigma bond, then p pi d pi bonding, p pi d pi bonding. It means here is p pi and p pi d pi bonding is present. It means we can say that first question, first answer is the right answer. We can say that option. Now we will check option. Here is A option is the correct answer for this question. Thank you for watching. Thank you for cooperation.